My dear brothers and sisters, who is the greatest in the kingdom of heaven? Unless you turn and become like children, you will never enter the kingdom of heaven. What are the qualities of a child? The qualities of child are he is dependent on his parents because he trusts that his parents will take care of all his needs. And most importantly, a child is obedient and humble. And as we age, we lose this quality. Because when the money comes, we rely on money power. When power comes to our hand, we rely our own power. And in this, we forget God, or we give God a secondary place, because primary place is taken by me. So where do we look? We have to look at Jesus. Though he was God, he became man, and also he became a slave. And he gave us an example by washing the feet of his disciples. And if we are to be his true disciples and aspire to be a good Catholic, we have to imitate Jesus Christ. In today's first reading, Prophet Ezekiel is told to eat the scroll. What is the meaning of this? It means he has to make the message his own, obediently accept it, no matter how hard the message is. The prophets are not speaking their message, they are speaking the message of God. Even though the message is hard and bitter, he says it will be sweet for him because he is on the side of God. Sometimes in our daily life, we are called to be prophetic. It may not please our friends, the members of our family, but something we believe in, we say it strongly: you are wrong. Don't tempt me. I do not listen to you. I say no.